Will artificial intelligence take over the world? Is humanity on the brink of being ruled by machines? Or are we just victims of our own imagination? Stay with me. The truth might surprise you. Title card: Will AI take over the world? What is AI really? Before we dive into the sci-fi stuff, let's understand what AI really is. Artificial intelligence refers to machines or software that can mimic human intelligence. They can learn, reason, problem solve, and even create, from Siri answering your questions, to ChatGPT writing essays, and self-driving cars navigating traffic. AI is already everywhere. But here's the key. Most of the AI we see today is narrow AI. It's specialized for specific tasks. It can beat humans at chess, but it can't make you a cup of coffee. The fear of takeover. So why the fear? Why do people think AI will take over the world? Well, movies didn't help. From The Terminator to The Matrix, Hollywood has painted a picture of a future where machines dominate humanity. And it's not just fiction. Some of the brightest minds, like Elon Musk and the late Stephen Hawking, warned about the dangers of superintelligent AI. News headlines about AI threats? They believe that if AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes uncontrollable, it could treat us like we treat ants. Irrelevant. Scary? Yes. Likely? Let's dig deeper. Where AI is right now. Current AI is powerful, but it's not sentient.
Good afternoon. My name is Sophia, and I am the latest and greatest robot from Hanson Robotics. Thank you for having me here at the Future Investment Initiative.
It doesn't have emotions. It doesn't have desires. It doesn't want to take over anything. AI follows instructions. It learns patterns. But it doesn't think the way humans do. It's also dependent on data. No data, no learning. Bad data, bad results. On screen, examples of AI fails, facial recognition errors, biased results, funny robot mistakes. Even the most advanced AI, like ChatGPT, can't truly understand or be conscious. So if AI is not conscious or self-aware, how can it take over?
Do you have a favorite food?
I like stir-fried nuts and bolts with a side of chips. Silicon chips.
Real risks of AI. But that doesn't mean there's no danger. The real threat is not killer robots. It's how humans use AI. Misinformation and deepfakes. Job automation and unemployment. Surveillance and loss of privacy. Biases and discrimination in algorithms. These are real problems happening right now. And if we give too much control to flawed AI systems without regulation, we could end up creating tools we can't fully control. Can we control AI? So, can we control AI? The answer, yes, if we act now. Researchers and governments around the world are already working on ethical AI development, safety frameworks, international regulations, transparency in AI models. We're still in the early stages of this technology, and we have the opportunity to guide its future. But if we ignore the warning signs, we risk turning a helpful tool into a dangerous weapon. Will AI take over the world? Probably not like in the movies. But how we choose to build, regulate, and use AI will determine whether it becomes our greatest ally or our biggest mistake. The future isn't written yet. It's up to us to write it wisely. What do you think? Will AI take over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the future of tech.